What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I took delivery of this guy and it's supposed to be new, but this box looks used to me. I had a bunch of tape all around it on all four corners. You can hear all the shaking inside the box as if it's been opened previously. But I'm going to unbox it for the first time here, but for the second time of its life. And it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to No Pros RC. Enemies.
I don't know, this box looked crappy to me, but what I probably heard rattling was the batteries. We got the instructions, charging cable, two sets of batteries, is this the most secure thing on here? And there we go. This is why I purchased her, because I like the grill on the front of this Jeep. What we want to do is see how she does on the track. But before we get to that point, I do want to take a look at, what's on the inside and compare it to the SCX24 from Axial. But just from appearance, look, we got a full-size spare tire on the back. I do think these lights in the rear, the tail lights, light up. And I think I'm not sure what lights up on the front, but we'll find out. Alright, so let's just take a look at the inside of her, the motor and all that good stuff. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so looking underneath the carriage of this vehicle, it looks complex to me. There is a lot of stuff going on in here, but here at No Pros RC we just keep it simple. The body has a lot of roll, like a lot of bounce. We'll see if that's a good or a bad thing. This is all-wheel drive. You have 4 pins that you have to take off. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get the body off. So let's do that. Okay, we got the pins off. Now let's see if we can get the body off. And be careful, because this does have lights in the front and in the rear. Battery goes right there. And here's a little tiny motor. I cannot tell you what size motor this is. That's all your connectors for your lights, and that's where your battery goes in that red section right there. Now what I want to do is compare it to the Axial SCX24, and they look to the left here. We got the Axial Jeep. And other than the tires, they look extremely identical. I really can't tell the difference, can you? Only the fog lights light up on this guy, but on this guy, looks like the headlights, these two lights here, should light up. And I like the fact that it has a full-size spare that looks like you can actually use it. The Axial did not come with that. Standing them side by side. Now you got to remember, I upgraded these wheels and tires on the SCX24 Jeep And on here, I don't see anywhere where it actually says that it's a Jeep, but we all know, right? So I'm going to put the battery inside of this guy. I'm gonna put batteries inside the transmitter here, and we'll see what she looks like. So stand by. Okay, so 2 batteries that comes with it, 380 mAh. So I'm gonna hook this up. Battery on this red part here, you can't miss that. Just kind of use your thumb to put it in, like so. Inside the transmitter, 4 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cover back on. Steering adjustments here, throttle here, reverse here, LED here, steering trim here, and I'm assuming this button here is probably for syncing. And you should see we have LED lights, which is right here. It's a button on the side of the chassis right here. So turn that on, and we got LED lights right there to confirm. And we also have headlights. Oh, yo, stop playing. The signal lights work. Yo, this is nice. Oh my god. So you know we're gonna do this one at night. That is awesome. With that being said, we gotta now get this guy on a trail, or we gotta get it on our backyard course or something to see how it measures up with the SCX24 versus this Jeep here that basically has no name on it, but we all know it's a Jeep. Yeah, so that's going to be an interesting video, but this video is long enough, so I'm going to have to stop it here, and you guys are just going to have to wait until next time. I know, I'm sorry, I apologize, but I don't want to hold you guys up. I know your time is valuable, so I like to break these videos down with unboxing first and then real world test second. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the real world tests coming up here very, very soon. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Click that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos, and click the like button if you like this video to make the YouTube algorithm happy and to let other people know that, hey, this might be a video you want to check out from No Pros RC, you know, to get other RC enthusiasts into the hobby, or just to check out this vehicle that I acquired. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to end it right here, and y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.